Craig, commiserations, disappointing evening in the end, and of course it's always a blow when you concede two in such quick succession at the beginning of the second half.
Yeah, I think it's not the stuff now where, Dundee started really well first half. After 10-15 minutes we got a grip to it, got a foot on the game, and we were given as good as we got. We kept good possession, didn't really create an awful lot, but to come out the second half and then within I think was it 6-7 minutes we're 2-0 down. It's psychologically it's a blow, and then you've got to get yourself going again, which we did. And we just needed to score. We had a couple of opportunities. Ryan Assel's had a header at the back post, and it would have probably asked the question again for the last 20 minutes. But at 2-0, it was always going to be a mountain to climb if we didn't get one within 10 minutes.
Do you feel like matches like this, though, they're a good opportunity, a good test against different opponents that you wouldn't usually be coming up against?
Yeah, without a doubt, it is. We love this competition. I think all the Welsh teams that have been involved with love this competition. It's got a very European feel to it. You're playing against a team that you haven't done. In our domestic league, you could play each other up to 5 or 6 times if you get drawn in cups. So it's something that we're very, very disappointed that we've been knocked out of, and We'll just want to make sure that we'll get back in it next season.
Well, to be in form as fine as you have been within the league as well, you won't let this affect your momentum. It'll be a case of dusting yourselves off and off you go to Flint away.
Yeah, I think it has to be. There's no other option for it. I think from a effort point of view, the lads worked hard. From a possession point of view, we'd done well. After the first 10 minutes of the first half, we got a grips with the game. But yeah, it just wasn't to be. That's the way it is.
Craig, appreciate it. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Thank you very much.